What is going on, guys? Chase from the Sneaker Laundry here, and I'm gonna show you guys how to use our Hog Hair Premium Brush. Now, these bristles here are a little bit shorter than most of the other premium brushes that you can get on the market, and the reason for that is so it can actually work into the material a lot easier. So what I'm gonna do, take a little bowl of water, put a couple of sprays of the solution into the water, and then you just wanna dip your brush into it and scrub in a circular motion. Now, the beauty of this brush is that it allows the soap to set up very, very well because the material is soft and so are the bristles. So pretty much what's happening is just double the suds. Check it out. Now, once you are done scrubbing, all you're gonna wanna do is take your microfiber towel and just wipe it off. And you are good to go. So head on over to www.thesneakerlaundry.com.au and grab yourself some TSL products today.